Welcome back to the Python Masterclass. In episode 12, we mastered inheritance and polymorphism. Now in episode 13, we zoom out from writing code to organizing it. Modules and packages are how Python projects scale from a single script to a professional application with hundreds of files. Understanding how imports work is one of the most practically useful things you can learn. Here is the simplest possible explanation. A module is just a Python file, any .py file on your disk. A package is just a folder containing Python files plus a special init.py file. That is the entire concept. Everything else in the Python ecosystem, the standard library, pip packages, frameworks, is built from this single idea. When Python sees an import statement, it searches three locations in order. First, it looks in the current directory for a matching .py file. Then it searches the standard library. Finally, it searches side packages, the folder where pip installs third-party packages. The animated diagram shows this search pipeline. Python uses the first match it finds. Python gives you 4 ways to import code. You can import an entire module and access its contents with dot notation. You can import specific names directly without a prefix. You can import with an alias, which is the universal convention for numpy as np and pandas as pd. And you can use star import to bring everything in, but avoid this in production code because it pollutes your namespace with names you did not ask for. Python ships with over 200 standard library modules, what the community calls batteries included. The OS module handles operating system interactions. Sys gives you runtime information. Datetime handles all time-related logic. JSO encodes and decodes JSO data, which is essential for working with APIs. Random generates random numbers and choices. And pathlib provides a clean modern interface for working with file paths. When your project grows beyond a few files, you organize code into packages. A package is a folder with a init.py file inside it. That file tells Python to treat the folder as a package. You can then import from any module inside the package using dotted path notation. This structure is what you see in every professional Python project and every open source library. That wraps up episode 13. You now understand the import pipeline, all 4 import styles, 6 key standard library modules, and how to structure a real project with packages. In episode 14, we explore iterators, generators, and decorators, 3 advanced Python features that separate good code from great code. Subscribe, and I will see you there.